Data solution and this is my app. This is my app, and I am showing to you. This is a topic evaluation tracker app, and this is the code of the app. I can also provide the link in the GitHub. And now I will run the app. This is the output of the app, and this is the sample data, and I will analyze the evolution. This is the output of AI safety at the dimension average for 0.4757, and all the mention are there. You can also upload load sample data from here. Okay. Now I will explain with the help of blog topic evaluation tracker Python desktop application for discussing trends in the digital work convergence around technology such business and social topic evaluation constantly understanding topic growth deadline or remain stable over time is valuable for research and analysis and content creator. To explore this I develop a topic evaluation tracker of Python desktop application that has our discussion about different topic change across time and sources. This tool demonstrates how structured data and simple analytic techniques can reveal meaningful insights about topic probabilities and sometimes. Why? What is the topic evaluation? Emerging topic, growing discussion, stable internet area, discrete trend. Overview of the topic evaluation tracker. This you can read from here. Key feature of the application: topic trend reduction, emerging, growing, rapid growth, stable staying, sharp staying. Topic popularity analysis. Total number of mentions. Sentiment analysis summary. Positive sentiment, negative sentiment, neutral sentiment. Category and source analysis. Timeline tracking. User interface overview. Input section analysis button, summary button, report, total records, total number of unique topics, total mention, average sentiment, top topic by mentions, topic table, topic name, example use case, technology terminating search topic analysis, class, demonstrate video content analysis and experiment data science projects, technology use. Education conclusion. I can also explain the conclusion. The topic evaluation tracker is a simple yet powerful demonstration how topic discussion can be analyzed using structured code and lightweight and by combining trend detection, sentiment monitoring, and source analysis. The application provides a clear picture of how conversation evolve over time. Project like this highlight how data analysis tool can transfer raw information into actionable insights. If you want to build project like that one, contact me. I can also provide the GitHub link of the code and this blogger code, this blog code also in the video description. Thank you so much for watching.